Does Flash Ikumkani regret departing away from his mentor MT, as his numbers and views are not what they used to be? Lamile Mangalotti, known as Flash Ikumkani, translated from Xhosa, means Flash is king, born in 1999 in King William's Town, Eastern Cape. He blew up with a hit, Umluzi, setting the eardrums on fire with his wave, Xhosa trap, popularized by rappers such as MT and Anatii. As he rapped in Umluzi about how his family was not supporting him being a rapper and how the doubt drove him more towards his passion. He discovered his passion for rap music at a young age, while still in high school, where he would later drop out to go and follow his passion full-time. His passion for music and, of course, his talent at his craft played a major role in his breakthrough. In early 2016 he arrived in Johannesburg, and later would be under MT. As he would state in an interview at Ukhozi FM, about how he met MT. I arrived in Johannesburg in 2016. In November that year, I signed with Jozi Empire. The owner had worked with MT before, so Ranks and other ATM members used to come over. He left Jozi Empire and needed a place to stay, and he moved in with Crane ATM. In 2018, Crane ATM introduced me to MT, and he listened to my songs, but was at that time going through his own things, and told me he would call, and later he did. Flash Ikumkani said, now signed under MT Records, together with Lolly Native, a vernacular rapper from Nyanga East, Cape Town, would make appearances on stage, with MT performing, and collaborate on songs such as India Balela, which was well received. The limelight he got from being associated with MT was good for his rap career. Came 2021. Flash Ikumkani would be on MT's song Lahasha, which was well received. And he would drop I Need a Bag, featuring Banger. This was good for him, as it was cementing him as a rising star. Coming July 2021, news began circulating that he had departed from the record label, which sent tweeps crazy. Everyone wanted to know what had happened. Where MT would write, "Lil Dude wanted to leave, and I said, fine." Among other back and forth replies, it seems there's no animosity among them. Now post MT Records, Flash Ikumkani continued to drop songs, including Utshant Show or Change, translated, and albums including an EP, which didn't do well. Some songs are well received, but he has not had a hit song since leaving MT Records. Most people don't even know he had released albums. His songs' numbers don't match up to his hot song. They are low on YouTube, some don't even get past 1,000 views. We know looking out for yourself is good, and you never know how strong you are until you facing the issue. But I think Flash Ikumkani's departure from MT Records was a little bit early. He should had stayed and gather more popularity for himself, as his numbers when he featured MT were great. We know he is a go-getter. You can feel the energy in his songs, as he is still releasing, but not making a wave. And maybe his die-hard fans check him out, 'cause nobody check him out. Especially being away from that MT spotlight. Because he does have a potential. But people spend years being an upcoming artist. Okay, that brings us to the end of this video. Now tell me what you think about Flash Ikumkani departing from MT Records. Was it a smart move? Would his albums be unknown or unheard of, as in now? Thank you for watching. Now please leave a like and subscribe.